Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can switch profile titles. Okay, so first of all we have to focus on the right upper corner and click on our profile icon, then switch from the icons to titles, and as you can see right here you can pick any of these titles. For example, let's go with this one with Prodigy. When you try to pick this one, as you can see, it's unowned, so we cannot select. We can only pick this one from this owned titles. And after that, when you click X and go to your profile, you will find that the title has changed. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.